setting up a LinkedIn Live with StreamYard. So StreamYard is the software that I use, and we are going to do a live stream today. So we go into the studio and I'm going to be live streaming onto my personal LinkedIn account. So I'm going to set up a title. So then we're going to schedule for later because it's going to be this afternoon and I want to do it at 2 p.m. So click into 2 o'clock, 2:00, and I've got a thumbnail. So I'm going to click on here, upload thumbnail, which I created earlier. And it literally says what we're doing. Raise your visibility online live with Louise Brogan. Click apply and then create live stream. So click the live stream and then we're going to hop over to LinkedIn to see what it looks like. So let's go over to 3 little dots here, click on view on LinkedIn. And we just want to make sure that it looks right over on the LinkedIn platform. So it opens up your LinkedIn. Of course, you have connected your LinkedIn account into StreamYard in order to do this. It says today, live at 2 p.m, Raise Your Visibility Online Live, event by Louise Brogan. And what I want to do in here is add a description because LinkedIn does not pull that across. And I'm the speaker, so doing there, click save. And then what you need to do is start inviting people to attend. So you invite people in your network who you want to attend. I literally click your locations. I'm going to say United Kingdom, show results. And I'm just going to click on this X here and it's going to invite all the people in my network. If you're seeing your name pop up here, this is how it works. Keep scrolling down, okay? And then you unclick the tick button and you click it again. And now it's invited 150 people. So that is how you add extra people in to attend your event. And that's how you set up your LinkedIn Live ready to go later on today. The extra little step you can do is click on add to calendar so that it goes into your own calendar so you don't accidentally forget that you're doing a live stream. And that's going to add to my Google Calendar and click on save here. Perfect. It's now in my calendar as well. So it's on LinkedIn as an event. It is on my profile. So we'll just check that. Let's have a look. View profile. And let's just see events, under events here. Raise Your Visibility Online Live, online 2 p.m. today. So all set. That is how we set up our LinkedIn Live. And then when we're ready to go live, we go back to StreamYard and you enter the studio and that will be where you stream live from. So good luck. Any questions you have on this, please pop them down below so I can help you to go live on LinkedIn yourself.